Good morning. Welcome to the Daily Grind.
Hi, it's so warm in here. I love it.
We try to keep it cozy. How is your morning going?
Not bad, just a bit busy. How about yours?
It's been a rush, but things are slowing down now.
That's good to hear. Is that music playing in the background?
Yes, it's a local jazz playlist. Do you like it?
I do. It's very relaxing.
I'm glad. Anyway, are you ready to order, or do you need a minute?
I think I need a minute. The menu is quite large.
No rush at all. Take your time.
What is your most popular drink here?
Our honey lavender latte is a big hit.
Oh, that sounds unique. Is it very floral?
Just a hint. It's balanced with the espresso.
I might try that. Do you have a seasonal menu?
We do. It's written on the chalkboard to your left.
Ah, I see it now. The pumpkin spice is back.
It is. People wait all year for that one.
I bet they do.
So, what can I get started for you?
I'll go with a medium pumpkin spice latte.
Excellent choice. Would you like that hot or iced?
Can I have it iced, please?
You got it. And what kind of milk would you like?
What are my options?
We have whole, skim, soy, almond, and oat milk.
I'll take oat milk, please.
Great. Do you want whipped cream on top?
Is the whipped cream dairy-free too?
Actually, it is. We make a coconut whipped cream.
Oh, definitely. Add that then.
Would you like an extra shot of espresso in that?
Will that make it very bitter?
A little stronger, but the syrup keeps it sweet.
Let's do it. I need the caffeine today.
I understand. One extra shot added.
Can you make it half sweet? I don't like too much sugar.
Of course. I'll use 2 pumps of syrup instead of 4.
Perfect. That's exactly what I want.
Anything to eat with that?
What do you have in the display case today?
We have fresh bagels, muffins, and avocado toast.
The bagels look delicious. Are they toasted?
We toast them to order. We have plain, sesame, and everything bagels.
I'll take an everything bagel.
Would you like cream cheese or butter?
Do you have chive cream cheese?
We do. It's very savory.
I'll take that. And could you put the cream cheese on the side?
Sure thing. Would you like any protein on that? Like smoked salmon?
No, just the cream cheese is fine.
No problem. Anything else? A cookie for later?
Those chocolate chip cookies look huge.
They are baked fresh every morning at 6 a.m.
Okay, you convinced me. I'll take one cookie too.
Do you want me to bag that separately?
Yes, please. I'll save it for my afternoon break.
Wise choice. It's hard to resist them.
I can see why.
Okay, so that's 1 iced oat milk PSL, an everything bagel, and a cookie.
That sounds correct.
Your total comes to $16.75.
Here is my credit card.
The machine will ask you a question on the screen.
Oh, it's asking for a tip.
It's optional. Don't feel pressured.
You've been very helpful, so I'll add 20%.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that.
You're welcome. Can I get a receipt?
Would you like it printed or sent to your email?
Printed is fine.
Here you go. Your order number is 42.
How long will the food take?
About 5 minutes for the bagel. The drink will be faster.
Okay. Is it all right if I sit at that big table?
Sure, but we ask that people share the big table if it gets crowded.
That's fair. Is there a restroom I can use?
Yes, it's down the hallway to the right.
Do I need a code for the door?
The code is 1234.
Thanks. I'll be right back.
Order 42, iced latte and bagel.
That's me.
Here is your drink. Careful, it's full to the brim.
Thank you. Where are the straws?
We use paper straws now. They are in the wooden box behind you.
Oh, I see them. And napkins?
Napkins are right next to the straws.
Great. And here's the bagel?
Yes, here is your bagel and the cream cheese on the side.
Everything looks perfect.
Enjoy your meal, Mia.
Thanks. Oh, wait. I forgot my cookie.
My apologies. It's right here in the bag.
No worries. I almost walked away without it.
That would have been a tragedy.
Definitely. Well, thanks again for the great service.
You're very welcome. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Bye.